Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in Telegram calls. So if you have got incoming call from Telegram application, or you don't get any alert or any ringtone on your device, so you can just follow these steps. First, make sure that you have turned off silent mode. If you're on silent mode like this, then you just need to scroll down from the right side of the screen to get this control center where you can find this bell icon, and you just need to make sure that you have turned off the silent mode, because if you're on silent mode, so it won't give you any sound or ringtone from any type of application. So then you can just check your volume here. If your volume is low or down, then you can just increase it by like this. You can just swipe it up, or you can just use your volume up button here. So then you can do another thing is you can just go to the Telegram application, then tap on the settings button here. Now here you just need to tap on notification and sounds, and you have to turn on notification. If it's turned off, then you will find this type of message. You can just tap on turn on. Now if you don't allow notification, you don't allow to send you notification on your device, then you just need to tap on allow button to allow it. So let me show you where you can just allow it. You just need to go to the settings, and you just need to scroll down all the way down until you find apps. Now tap on it and search for Telegram. Here is Telegram. Just tap on it, and in Telegram we can you must need to make sure that your microphone and camera is turned on. If you have disallowed to use microphone and camera for Telegram, then it might cause for this issue. Or there's another issue that you have to allow the notification from in-app. Here you just need to tap on turn on. Now allow the notification, and from here you will find the notifications. Now tap on it, and from here make sure that you have allowed notification for Telegram, and you just need to make sure that the sound is turned on. If this sound is turned off, then it won't give you no sound. It will give you no sound for Telegram call. So make sure that these all options is correct on your settings. Now the last thing that you can do is you just need to go to App Store and search for Telegram, just like this, Telegram. And from here make sure that your Telegram is updated and you are using most updated Telegram application. If there's any update available, then you can just simply tap on update button, and it will update your Telegram application to the most updated most recent updated application, Telegram application. So if the problem is persist, then you can do the last option here. You can just go to the, let me show you, go to the general here, and from here you just need to tap on iPhone storage, and from here you just need to search for Telegram application. Here it is. You just need to tap on it, and you can just go with this offload app. If you tap on offload app, then it will just force stop for Telegram, and it will just delete some additional data, additional file from Telegram application, so it can just have a quick restart or refresh. So if you then it will start re-download the additional data or files for Telegram, and then you can just find that you can just check for that this issue is solved or not. Hope this video helpful. Then thanks for watching. Till next time.